Advertise your car until sold for only one payment. Car Data matches hundreds of buyers to sellers every week. 01 2058 8000.
Right now, an ugly wall called tartar is building up on your teeth. And only your dentist can pull it down. But this wall won't stay down, which is why there's Colgate Tartar Control with fluoride, a great-tasting adult toothpaste specially formulated to reduce tartar buildup, so your teeth will feel cleaner and smoother. Colgate Tartar Control fights the buildup of tartar.
10-0, 10-0. What happened?
But Coach, it's this kit, so scratchy. We just can't concentrate.
Scratchy, is it? Bold 3. The unique built-in fabric conditioner means that it softens and freshens as it cleans. Ah, should get some results with this.
Feels much better. Brilliant.
Well, don't just stand there, give a bell.
Bold 3. Hard on dad, soft on kids.
12 blooming nil. I thought the kit was okay.
But Coach, it's these boots.
G'day. You look like you need a holiday. A fair dinkum holiday. In the land of wonder. The land down under. Now, there's a few things I've got to warn you about. Firstly, you're going to get wet. Because the place is surrounded by water. Oh, and you're going to have to learn to say g'day. Because every day's a good day in Australia.
G'day, Paul.
G'day, love. Of course, you'll have to get used to some of the local customs, like getting a suntan at the restaurant and calling everyone mate. Thanks, mate.
She's right, mate.
Apart from that, no worries. You'll have the time of your life in Australia. Of course, we talk the same language. Although you lot do have a funny accent. Oh, before you rush out to book your Aussie holiday, call this number for your free Aussie holiday book. Come on, come and say g'day. I'll slip an extra shrimp on the barbie for you.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
Come on, turn round.
No, I'm not turning around. Not in these spots, no way.
They're not pretty, are they? Tell you what, give this new stuff a bash. It's clear as acne treatment. You can see how your face looks in 5 days.
It's not going to work in 5 days.
You might be surprised.
New Clearasil can turn round spots and acne in just 5 days.
Are you surprised?
I sure am.
A spotty specimen last week. What do you reckon now?
Well, they were really bad last week, but Clearasil's done the job.
Ask at your pharmacy for new Clearasil acne treatment. It's effective. Ask at the pharmacy counter.
If your house is worth more now than when you bought it, wouldn't it be a shame if you couldn't get at that money? Well, now the Royal Bank of Scotland can help. With a scheme called Equity Release, it enables you to free the profit you've made, and when you've got it, spend it on practically anything you like, even if it's nothing to do with the home. Ask about Equity Release only at the Royal Bank of Scotland.
Couldn't this wait till the office?
Not really. You remember that home finance package you asked me to put together?
Yeah.
I think it's ready to show you.
But why here?
No one listened when they built these. People needed homes, not housing. Tell me what you think.
The thing about Angel Delight is that it tastes deliciously creamy. It's also very, very light. Bird's Angel Delight. Don't let go of your glass.
She needs a washer here.
Does she run, do you hear?
Don't worry! This turbomatic can adjust to different loads, my dear.
Can do, can do, can do, can do.
I think one of the tastiest ways to serve turkey is the traditional way, with a delicious stuffing. That's why I created a rather special recipe for my stuffed turkey breast roast. then not only do you get the wonderful aroma whilst cooking, but also a tasty portion of stuffing in every slice. Well, you do if you serve my new stuffed turkey breast roast. Bernard Matthews' new stuffed turkey breast roast, around $2.29 a joint.
When you're looking for a new home, are you shown the wrong kind of house? And when you're selling your old home, are you sent the wrong kind of buyer? Perhaps you're going to the wrong kind of estate agent. Try Hamptons. We're a family of estate agents who've joined forces to offer you a complete range of professional services. So each branch has the experience and the local contacts to match the right buyer with the right seller. Ring 01460 6000 for details. Hamptons, a match for anyone.
Now, let's walk. I'm adding your proposals to tomorrow's agenda.
Yes, but will you back them?
Say I was a Midland customer. And buying a new home's no picnic. And what are you going to do for me?
We'd start by offering you the right kind of mortgage.
Well, doesn't everybody?
Not with a 0.5% off the interest rate for a year.
Ah, money, no? Suppose I say there's more to it than that. Things like security, the future.
Well, as a bank, we offer you financial counselling, confidential advice on how to manage your money.
Well, what if I'm not with the Midland?
You don't have to be. You still benefit.
Later on? When the family starts to grow, will you still be listening then?
Yes, enough to make it easier to use your house as security. Free the money you've invested in it, for the family's sake, or for something unforeseen. Who knows what might happen tomorrow?
Oh, I think tomorrow's going to turn out fine. Just fine.
Orchard, a living mortgage from the listening bank.
The new Amstrad portable PC is industry standard compatible. Use it in the office or on the move, or to send information back to the office from home via the phone. It means a lot less legwork. The Amstrad portable PC from £399 plus VAT. Amstrad, computers for every Tom, Dick and Harriet.
Finding the right pension on your own can be a bit daunting. It can bog you down with paper, have you going round and round in circles. It can all be very painful. At Legal & General, we're experts at finding just the right pension for you. One you can take from one job to the next. Give us a ring or ask your financial advisor.
One of the most curious facts about the inhabitants of the planet Earth was that although each individual was half left and half right, some were more left than right, and vice versa. This was known as politics. What made the Daily Telegraph so popular was that although it had clearly defined areas of political opinion, the news came neither from the left nor the right, so that any reader could be left or right, but never wrong. The Daily Telegraph, the Earth Dweller's Guide to Life, the Universe, and everything.
Get the maximum out of life. Get the max. Get the maximum, be your best. Get the max. Get the maximum done. Get the max, get the fun. Maxwell House is the way to the taste of today. Get the maximum, you know how. Get the max. Get the Maxwell House. Share it out. Get the max. Get the maximum taste. Get the maximum blend. Go for maximum pace. Get the taste to the end. Get the max.
Get the taste, get the max.
You'll recognize the sign of a great sale. It starts Thursday at D.H. Evans, Army and Navy, and House of Fraser.
Fresh and fragrant. Mild and caring. Timotei, enriched with natural herb extracts. To leave your hair silky and shiny. Bright and beautiful. Timotei, so mild you can wash your hair as often as you like.
The planet Mars is paradise. Voices are never raised in argument. Never. There's only one sex, so No emotional problems. No fast cars. No noisy discos. Everyone is equal and lives to 803. Me? I sold up and moved to Earth.
There is a car that not only becomes part of your life,
65,
it becomes part of you.
80, 90. So,
The Fiat Uno, the most wanted small car in Europe.